So I want to show you something today. We were over here yesterday pouring some concrete in this big garage over here, and I want to show you what happened. We had a lot of rain the day before, and it actually filled up the upstairs before they got the roof on. It filled the upstairs up with water, and we had a bunch of leaks coming down onto our floor. So I just want to show you this just in case you ever had this situation. You would know enough to get that water out of there. So all these pieces of styrofoam are actually where we had water leaks. So we had to finish the floor and put a bunch of pieces of styrofoam on the floor as we finished it. It was a real pain in the butt. So there's an upstairs here, and basically, I'll zoom back on that. Basically, this upstairs, it rained so much before they got the roof on, it had water up in there, big pools of water. So that's what we had to deal with yesterday. It was a real pain. Just want to forewarn anybody in this situation not to do that. So this is the upstairs, big huge upstairs. We had a lot going on yesterday. We did some sonotubes out back with the power buggy. We did some stampcrete, basically right here. We did this front porch with stampcrete. We had a lot going on, and we had to deal with these leaks. So we were out back here, poured all these sonotubes. They had the foot on the bottom of them, so there's no way to get out here with a concrete truck, so we had to use the power buggy, the Toro tracked buggy, to get out here. It's all clay. And the sonotubes were wet at the base because we didn't backfill them, so that was another challenge we faced. The sonotubes weren't holding up very well, so when you're doing them, make sure you backfill them.